初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Which bus goes to the park?
Which bus goes to the park?
哪路公交车去公园？
Which bus goes to the park?
Which bus goes to the park?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
最近的公交站在哪里？
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
How much is a single ticket?
How much is a single ticket?
单程票多少钱？
How much is a single ticket?
How much is a single ticket?
Does this bus stop at the mall?
Does this bus stop at the mall?
这辆公交车在商场停吗？
Does this bus stop at the mall?
Does this bus stop at the mall?
Can I pay by phone on board?
Can I pay by phone on board?
我可以在车上用手机支付吗？
Can I pay by phone on board?
Can I pay by phone on board?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
打扰一下，这个座位有人吗？
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Could you tell me the next stop?
Could you tell me the next stop?
你能告诉我下一站是哪里吗？
Could you tell me the next stop?
Could you tell me the next stop?
I need to get off at the library.
I need to get off at the library.
我需要在图书馆下车。
I need to get off at the library.
I need to get off at the library.
Does this bus go downtown?
Does this bus go downtown?
这辆公交车去市中心吗？
Does this bus go downtown?
Does this bus go downtown?
Where can I buy a bus pass?
Where can I buy a bus pass?
我在哪里可以买到公交卡？
Where can I buy a bus pass?
Where can I buy a bus pass?
How long till we reach there?
How long till we reach there?
我们还要多久到那里？
How long till we reach there?
How long till we reach there?
Please remind me when we arrive.
Please remind me when we arrive.
请在我们到达时提醒我。
Please remind me when we arrive.
Please remind me when we arrive.
Is this the right bus for the zoo?
Is this the right bus for the zoo?
这是去动物园的公交车吗？
Is this the right bus for the zoo?
Is this the right bus for the zoo?
Can I transfer for free here?
Can I transfer for free here?
我可以在这里免费换乘吗？
Can I transfer for free here?
Can I transfer for free here?
The bus is a bit crowded today.
The bus is a bit crowded today.
今天公交车有点挤。
The bus is a bit crowded today.
The bus is a bit crowded today.
Where do I catch the No. 5 bus?
Where do I catch the No. 5 bus?
我在哪里乘坐5路公交车？
Where do I catch the No. 5 bus?
Where do I catch the No. 5 bus?
Does this route pass the hospital?
Does this route pass the hospital?
这条路线经过医院吗？
Does this route pass the hospital?
Does this route pass the hospital?
I missed my stop just now.
I missed my stop just now.
我刚才坐过站了。
I missed my stop just now.
I missed my stop just now.
How often does this bus run?
How often does this bus run?
这辆公交车多久一班？
How often does this bus run?
How often does this bus run?
Is there a toilet on the bus?
Is there a toilet on the bus?
公交车上有厕所吗？
Is there a toilet on the bus?
Is there a toilet on the bus?
Could you slow down a little, please?
Could you slow down a little, please?
你能稍微开慢一点吗？
Could you slow down a little, please?
Could you slow down a little, please?
I left my bag on the bus.
I left my bag on the bus.
我把包落在公交车上了。
I left my bag on the bus.
I left my bag on the bus.
Which exit should I take?
Which exit should I take?
我应该走哪个出口？
Which exit should I take?
Which exit should I take?
The bus is running late today.
The bus is running late today.
今天公交车晚点了。
The bus is running late today.
The bus is running late today.
Can I take this bus to the station?
Can I take this bus to the station?
我可以坐这辆公交车去车站吗？
Can I take this bus to the station?
Can I take this bus to the station?
Excuse me, where's the ticket machine?
Excuse me, where's the ticket machine?
打扰一下，售票机在哪里？
Excuse me, where's the ticket machine?
Excuse me, where's the ticket machine?
Does this bus accept cash?
Does this bus accept cash?
这辆公交车接受现金吗？
Does this bus accept cash?
Does this bus accept cash?
I need to go to the railway station.
I need to go to the railway station.
我需要去火车站。
I need to go to the railway station.
I need to go to the railway station.
How far is the next bus stop?
How far is the next bus stop?
下一个公交站有多远？
How far is the next bus stop?
How far is the next bus stop?
Please let me know when we arrive.
Please let me know when we arrive.
请在我们到达时告诉我。
Please let me know when we arrive.
Please let me know when we arrive.
This bus is very comfortable.
This bus is very comfortable.
这辆公交车非常舒适。
This bus is very comfortable.
This bus is very comfortable.
Is there a direct bus to the airport?
Is there a direct bus to the airport?
有直达机场的公交车吗？
Is there a direct bus to the airport?
Is there a direct bus to the airport?
I want to get a monthly pass.
I want to get a monthly pass.
我想买一张月票。
I want to get a monthly pass.
I want to get a monthly pass.
Does this bus stop near the school?
Does this bus stop near the school?
这辆公交车在学校附近停吗？
Does this bus stop near the school?
Does this bus stop near the school?
The bus driver is very friendly.
The bus driver is very friendly.
公交车司机非常友好。
The bus driver is very friendly.
The bus driver is very friendly.
Where can I find the bus schedule?
Where can I find the bus schedule?
我在哪里可以找到公交车时刻表？
Where can I find the bus schedule?
Where can I find the bus schedule?
I'm new here. Please help me.
I'm new here. Please help me.
我是新来的，请帮帮我。
I'm new here. Please help me.
I'm new here. Please help me.
Thank you for your directions.
Thank you for your directions.
谢谢你的指引。
Thank you for your directions.
Thank you for your directions.
This bus goes straight to the beach.
This bus goes straight to the beach.
这辆公交车直达海滩。
This bus goes straight to the beach.
This bus goes straight to the beach.
Have a nice trip on the bus.
Have a nice trip on the bus.
祝你公交车旅途愉快。
Have a nice trip on the bus.
Have a nice trip on the bus.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。